So every single class notebook that you create will have a space that we're calling the welcome page, which is its own section. And next to the section, you'll be able to see that there's the collaboration space, content library, and then all of your students' personal notebooks will be listed up here in this drop-down menu as well. The welcome page is a really good way of sharing things with parents because you can get a link to the welcome page and share it to parents via email to increase communication. You can also put really helpful links for your students on the welcome page, such as having a class syllabus, maybe your parent night presentation, and also a class calendar so students know when things are due. And so just like any other section, the welcome page is organized as different pages. And if you want to add anything to the welcome page, we recommend that you number the pages so it's easier for students to be able to view what page you're talking about. Also helpful to use the welcome page as your home page for your course. So if students are ever unsure of where to go, it's always helpful to go hit the back arrows till you're at the welcome page so you know that, okay, I'm not inside the collaboration space and not inside the content library or my own student profile.